7, watch yourself.
Do you think the officers handled this situation correctly?
It is shocking development. LSU has some guys that can really run. Thomas is the one that scares me. Yeah, you go ahead. This one with the ball in his hand. That's an awful. Can't shoot you right now. Don't. They still have some guys that can make some big top plays. Coach, that's what we really appreciate your time, man. You're on track. Come back, so ready. Put them out. Thank you to our cornerstone television partners, Health, and Coca-Cola. Coach's Corner is brought to you by powered by Source Sports Properties, fan-fueled, athlete-focused. College football fans, Bruce Fowler here with the play.
Pull over. Pull over now. It's a feller who yelled that I'm not real sure he even knows I'm back here.
Later, Harvey, clear.
Looks like he went around the sticks. I don't think we got good contact with him. Northbound. I believe coming up on guard 66.
He's about to hit someone head on.
Northbound approaching 23rd Street.
Seven, watch yourself.
I'm trying to. Just give me cars.
253, I'm coming up on Wilshire and MacArthur right now. Let's go eastbound. Correction, westbound. To the ditch. Boxman, boxman. Perfect.
Get out of the car! Get out! Get out of the
Can
car!
you advise dog needs me?
Out of the truck! The truck! Yep. Out of the truck! Get out of the truck now!
Hey, buddy,
Leslie to Leslie, though! Yeah, I mean, he's got those.